What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing alright, and today, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be watching some more idiots in cars. This is episode number 120, and it looks like someone ran out of lanes to drive on. But anyways, please smack that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of this. And with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this now. Oh, I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas in it. That car is in mint condition. Nothing's wrong with it. That's a brand new all-wheel steering system right there. Smoke screen deployed. This is what it sounds like when you were holding it all day. Damn, that was aggressive, but we're gonna move on. Let's see here. And his name is John Cena. Oh, it's lights out. Good night, buddy. You've got a pole position. But now, seriously, there were 4 big bright red lights. How he didn't see them, I don't know. But you know what we do know? We know where this one is going, definitely. Oh my days, fam, this is so embarrassing. It's a front-wheel drive car, you dingleberry. Oh, congratulations, you're on pole position. But anyways, never drive a compact car. Drive a freaking boat. Be a man. Let's see here. Oh, I like the sound of that. Nice, very nice. Oh, hello there, Mustang. Come on now. Power! Ah, for God's sake. For the first time we see a Mustang behaving in traffic and not crashing. What a beautiful moment it was. But nope, someone had to ruin it. Damn! Give Mustangs a break. We love them. Oh, since when the 5.0 is using the free candy van? Is this even real? All I know is I'm not pulling over. No sir. I watched you guys on television. I know how this works, so you're not gonna fool me. And oh yeah, I almost forgot. I need to address something real quick. There are small amount of people who take my jokes way too seriously. So, for example, when I make fun of Mustangs, that doesn't mean I hate Mustangs. I actually like them a lot. But that's not gonna stop me from making fun of them, you know? So, please, relax a little bit and enjoy life. I don't know what else to say. Actually, there's one exception. Prius. That is the biggest arch enemy of every petrol head in this world. Period. I don't know, there's something about that car that is... I don't even want to talk about it. So we're gonna move on. The oil pan is gone. What else? What do you think, guys? Take a guess. What else has he destroyed down there? On to the next one. Let's see here. Hey, yo, sir. I reached out for your extended car warranty. Get out of here, man. This is also the case when your little cousin is asking you to play games on your phone. Oh, they see me rolling. They're hating. My music's so loud. You will never be this cool. Me neither. And by the way, what the hell is he riding on? That dude is living in 2054. Anyways, moving on. Let's see. I hate streets like this. I always have a feeling that someone is gonna jump out like this fool here. Or maybe even worse, like parents who don't pay attention to their kids, or maybe someone's gonna just pull out of his parking lot. What the hell was that? That was actually a little jump scare, but congrats to the dashcam guy. He reacted perfecto. And here the BMW got a love tap from behind. Even the cop is like, okay, I'll leave you to it, boys. Whatever floats your boat. Oh, a Mustang, let's see. Oh. Actually, today, Mustangs are behaving themselves. Good for them, I guess. It's a strange scenery for sure. We are not used to that, but it's okay, I guess. Here we have a footage of a lovely guy coming home to his lovely wife. Oh, here's another angle. Let's take a better look. You know what time it is. Honey, I'm home. Some people are definitely out of control. And now we'll be taking a look at another episode of Parking Wars. And as you can see, this guy is already using a spiral attack, making some space down there, so he can park his car safely, of course. Come on now, get on a power in reverse. Aw. That was just a tap. That was disappointing. I thought he was gonna... Oof. I don't know what that guy's trying to do, but I'm sure there's another way. He almost flew out like a rocket. Just go around, dude, or do it slowly. No need for that. Oof. Oh, he's done it, boys. He's done it, boys and girls. Great stuff. In his mind, failure is not an option. But anyways, let's see here. We are now entering the mysterious world of roundabout. Dearie me. That was a biggie. And someone needs to go back to driving school, apparently. Who the hell put this stupid jet ski over here? There ain't no goddamn water over here. Oh yeah.
God damn.
Damn, bro. I wasn't ready for that one, honestly. Hope he's alright. Whew. He was aiming for the space, bruh. That's crazy. Whoa. Free bumper removal. Call and we'll be there. Wherever you need us. Oh, shots fired, get down. Oh, actually it's false alarm. It's an exhaust system, a custom one. And signing out. That dude was like, if I'm going out, I'm gonna go out with style. Whoa, chill out, bruh. There's no more space in there, no more space. Oh, for God's sake. I told you there's no more space in there, you fool, you dingleberry. And here we have a female that is looking for her ex's car. And she's now like, is that his? No, it isn't. Oh, it's this one. Whack! Ha 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 ha! Take that, you fool! That's the wrong car. No, I messed up. Oh, look at that view. That Merc is danger close. Oh!
Are you serious?
That guy was like, I'm not braking, everybody. Good luck. Anyways, let's... Another rear end collision, if you know what I mean. And it looks like we're gonna have another one. Booyah! It's actually very scary when you think about how many people don't pay attention on the road. Well, sometimes it is what it is. You're gonna crash, there's nothing you can do about it. But most of the time you can. You definitely can. Oh, like for example here. Why? Why would you do something like this? It's ridiculous. On to the next one. She didn't even look. That's the scary part. She was like, do you hear that? Do you hear that? That's the sound of me not giving a fuck.
We have. And women have awesome responsibility. And it is not until...
Oof, that was explosive. But anyways, let's see here. Whoa. Thread a needle. That was danger close. And it's not over yet. Did he just went into a ditch? What the heck? Hey yo, what the hell are you doing, bruh? I lost my brain around here. I'm looking for it. Well, good luck to you. We are now moving on. And it looks like we have another one who lost his oil pan. Weight reduction, bruh. Because race car, bruh. Oh no! So many rear end collisions today. Hope this is the last one. But we'll wait and see. It's funny, no one tried to overtake all of these people here. Whoa, peekaboo! Looks like sometimes people just turn off their brains for some reason. Oh, we have some more pickup trucks. Lovely stuff. Whoa, hold it. Oof. Looks like he's down but not out. Just keep on trucking. I only didn't see if someone did this to him or he did it himself. Oh, this is getting interesting. Are you talking to me? Are you talking to me? Huh? That's what I thought. I'm gonna act tough and you're gonna get scared. If the gloves are off, the gloves are off. If you ain't gonna do anything, just stay in your car or whatever. Just move on with your life. Or otherwise, you just become a laughing stock. Nothing more. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed this extended episode. I will do my best to make every episode this long, and thank you very much for watching, of course. Thank you for your amazing support. You are the best audience ever. Please never change. So yeah, leave a like and subscribe if you're keen to see more of this, and leave a comment as well. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao.